looking for the mysterious ghost cat. It's really hard to see anything in this stormy weather. Well, I'm looking for the ghost cat, or call it snow leopard. They're an endangered species, so let's see if we can find one. Snow leopards are big cats that live in Central and South Asia. These beautiful animals are endangered due to the habitat loss and hunting. Despite their name, snow leopards are more closely related to tigers than leopards. Unlike their African cousins, they have evolved to live in colder parts of the world. Snow leopards are also occasionally called hunses. Snow leopards live in and around the mountains of Central Asia, in countries such as Russia, Mongolia, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, India, Nepal, and Bhutan. Snow leopards are physically the smallest member of the group of animals known as the big cats. This group also includes lions, tigers, leopards, and jaguars. However, snow leopards are still fairly big animals, weighing around 25 to 55 kilograms. Their bodies include the tails are between 6 and 7.5 feet long. Snow leopards' tails are longer in proportion to body size than those of most other cats. This may help to provide them with better balance for walking in rocky environments. The most obvious difference between the snow leopards and the other big cats is their color. Snow leopards have smoky gray colored fur, which provides camouflage in rocky snow-covered habitat. The snow leopard's spots, known as rosettes, help it to blend in with the rocks on the slopes of the mountains. Snow leopards have thick fur. Their tails, which are not only long but also thick, are used to protect their faces from the cold when the animal is resting. Snow leopards have wide paws, which allow them to walk on snow without sinking into it. The undersides of the paws are furry, to aid grip and to provide protection against the cold. Snow leopards' nasal activities are large to warm up the cold air. Snow leopards live in mountainous terrain which, for much of the time, is covered with snow. Snow leopards live above the tree line at altitudes of 3,000 to 6,000 meters. Snow leopards will live at lower altitudes sometimes, coming into forests and valleys. Snow leopards are carnivores, meat eaters. They hunt by stalking and ambushing their prey, often from above. Snow leopards are capable of taking animals 3 times their weight. Common prey creatures include the ibex, Himalayan blue sheep, and Himalayan tahr. Snow leopards also hunt smaller animals such as rats. Snow leopards occasionally prey on domestic livestock. This can cause farmers to hunt snow leopards in order to protect their livelihoods. The main reason snow leopards are endangered is habitat loss. More and more of its habitat is being developed into farmland. When this happens, the snow leopard loses not only its home, but also its food. It can no longer find enough animals to eat. Snow leopards are also hunted for their fur and their bones. There are only about 6,000 snow leopards left in their natural habitat, and this number is decreasing. Today there are more snow leopards living in captivity than in the wild. Unlike other big cats, snow leopards can't roar, and snow leopards can live up to 20 years old. Snow leopards are most active at dawn and dusk. A female snow leopard can give birth to 2 or 3 cubs at a time. They have also light green or grey eyes, unlike other big cats whose eyes are yellow. Snow leopards can also jump up to 9 meters high. Well, that's all for now, kids. Thanks for watching. So, let me go and explore the snowy mountains and see what other animals I can find. Bye! Woohoo! This is fun!